Welcome back, guys. This is Chris, and welcome to Unbox TCG. And today, we're gonna unbox the structure deck Rokket Revolt. Here we go. This structure deck includes 39 common cards, 4 super, and 3 ultra. So we have 7 foil cards in here again. So let's go ahead and unbox this. We have our guidebook. We have our playmat. Let's use this playmat here. There we go. And here is the structure deck. Let's open this. We have our first card. It's Topologic Zerboros. You can link this card by 2+ effect monster. We have Warlord Furious Dragon. We have Quad Barrel Dragon, Silver Rocket Dragon, Rocket Tracer, Abs Rotor Dragon, Zero Day Blaster, Rocket Recharger, Exploder Rocket Dragon, Checksum Dragon, Nest Rocket Dragon, Auto Rocket Dragon, Magna Rocket Dragon, Shell Rocket Dragon, Metal Rocket Dragon, Rocket Synchron. We have Gateway Dragon, Defrag Dragon. We have Background Dragon, Labradorite Dragon, Paladin of Felgren, Dragon Knight of Creation, Keeper of the Shrine, Word Chalice Guard Dragon, Raiden Hand of the Lightsworn, Boral Supplier, Rapid Trigger, Squid Draw, Quick Launch, Boot Sector Launch, Boral Regenerator, Dragon Shrine, Ruins of the Divine Dragon Lords, Return of the Dragon Lords, Polymerization, Twin Twisters. Track cards, we have Execute Protocols, Red Reboot, Link Turret, Mirror Force Launcher, and a Mirror Force, Magic Cylinder, Imperial Order. We have our Link Monster again. It's Warlord Dragon as a common card. Wow, nice. And Triple Burst Dragon, Booster Dragon, and it's the promotional card for the Legacy of Duelists. Here we go.